In this video, you're going to learn a little bit about the structure of each module here at Mercy. Every module will have an overview and a learning materials folder. Whatever comes after the learning materials folder will depend on your course's modality as well as your instructor. So you will not always see an assignment and a discussion board after. You might see just a discussion, just an assignment, or just a quiz, or a combination of all of these items. Let's take a peek into the overview first. So in this overview, this is going to be a summary of your week, and it's going to help you plan how to read the readings. It's going to help you kind of govern yourself to make sure you get your work done on time. Let's close out of here by clicking on this blue square with the X. Let's open up this learning materials folder by clicking on the title. In here, this is where your lecture notes, your readings, and even your PowerPoints are going to be for your course. Now, every instructor does this a little bit differently. You will see a learning materials folder, but some might not have the classes in here. Some might just have a list of items that you will click through. So just always take a peek, and whatever you see, be sure to click on everything and be sure to open everything. So to recap, an overview is going to be a plan for your week. It helps you plan out when to do your readings, your assignments. Your learning materials folder is when you access your readings, lecture notes, PowerPoints. Remember, every internal learning materials folder, so what's inside of it, can look a little bit different. Be sure to click on every item. And always take a peek at what's after the learning materials folder, because this is going to look a little bit different for each course and each modality of your course. So this is the structure of a module.